Ezell spent the morning cleaning them up with Horstmann Brothers.
Hey guys, it is fall and we're tackling that leaf problem of yours. And earlier we were getting them all in a pile. Now it's time to pick them up. Paul Horstmann with Horstmann Brothers Landscaping. And you could use your leaf hands or a rake to pick them up, but I prefer something a little stronger, Paul.
Right, we've got curbside vacuuming service. So if someone wants to get their leaves to the curb, we'll come by, suck them up, haul them away, and compost them for them.
Look at this right here. Now tell me about this piece of equipment here.
This is a 25 horsepower Billy Goat vacuum.
Yeah.
4,400 cubic feet of vacuum power, suck power right there, buddy. That'll put the leaves in the truck so we can haul them away in a hurry.
Let's give it a try.
Start up, Dave.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Look at that. Now this is a powerful piece of equipment, so you're going to want to be careful. That's it. Takes care of those leaves in no time. Yeah, look at that. Horstmann Brothers, ready to give you a... Oh, kill it. Stop it. Oh, Paul, shut the machine down a little bit. Found something over here in the leaves. Look at that. Got a duck.
Oh my gosh, was that in the leaves?
Yeah, you want to go through your leaves. You know, kids' toys, balls, what have you, or a duck could be sitting in your leaves, so.
You never know what you'll find.
Yeah, that's powerful piece of equipment right there. There you go. Clean up your leaves, find your lost things, your lost duck, your lost toys, and your yard. Horstmann Brothers.
Yes.
They're here to help.
Thank goodness for the duck. All right. You know, we got some calls in our newsroom this morning. Some folks